Start. So yeah, so let's start off. So file, so let's go to data source and from Excel choose the Excel file, then go to orders, then unit price. You can change the name of the column to sales price, then that you can do. Then you can go to your sheet. Let's not waste time. And so we are going to create a calculated field first. So the formula is first for sales amount. Sales amount is sales price into quantity into 1 into bracket 1 minus discount. Close the bracket. Okay. Then you make the next field, that is cost price. Cost price. Cost price is sale price into 1 minus base margin into bracket open 1 minus base margin, close the bracket. Okay, then the third one we make is cost amount. I don't know why am I writing that way. Cost amount. So cost price into quantity. Okay, now the next one is margin. Come on, margin. Okay, so sale amount minus cost amount is the margin. Then is invoice amount. That is sale amount plus ship cost. So that's done. So now you created the fields. Now next step would be to add the fields. So you're going to add measure values and you're going to add order date here. Okay, whenever you add order date, Tableau changes the format, so take it back to the normal whatever. Then you're gonna you have to follow a subset kind of superset. I don't know what it's called, superset. So go to first of all, yeah. First of all, whenever you change it, get the year now. Okay, so this is good. Now get this to I think this makes more sense. Okay, and we're going to follow a superset of order ID, then customer name, then product name, and yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so again the day has gone on top, so this is better now. So let's format. I'll teach you how to format now. So format fields, measure values, go to numbers, number custom. So you want decimals, you got decimals that way. Now after that you can also go to discount you want in percentage, so select percentage, done, boom boom. And after that yeah, so done. Then after that you can go to analytics, add totals, subtotals, and column totals. Okay, but mostly uh, for discount and sales price I don't think you need totals, right? So just go to discount, then go to total using, and then hide, so it won't be see into end. And sales price is another thing that we don't need, so hide, done. Now let's remove some of the extra columns. Edit filter and none. And which ones do we want? So we keep sales quantity, we keep sales price, we keep sale amount. No, we keep, yeah, okay, discount. Um, then sales, shipping cost as well, right? Shipping cost and inventory. Okay, okay. So now this is done. Now let's rearrange them. For rearranging to come here. So quantity is number one. Then comes sales price. Then comes discount, which is there. Sales amount and then ship cost. Okay, and then inventory. So this is it. Your first sheet is done. Yeah, I think it's done. And anything else? Mm, so you can also add filters. So for that, go to data and we'll be dragging customer name in that. Customer name. So all okay. Then we'll right click and show filter. Then we can also add a filter of order date. Order date. So years, all the years apply. Okay. So here you go. This is your first sheet. Your filters are seen over here. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you.